Say goodbye with style. Mastering informal farewells in English. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are going to dive into the world of English language and its nuances. We'll focus on how to express farewells or goodbyes informally. Saying goodbye isn't just about parting ways, it's also a great chance to leave a lasting impression. So, let's get started and make every goodbye memorable. An informal farewell is a way of saying goodbye in a casual, relaxed manner. It's used among friends, family, or people of the same age group. Remember, informality does not mean rudeness. It's just a more relaxed way of communicating. Some informal farewells can also show closeness and warmth. Now let's look at some of the most common examples of informal farewells. 1. See you later, or catch you later. These are very common ways to say goodbye, implying that you expect to meet the person again soon. 2. Take it easy. This is a relaxed, friendly way of saying goodbye, also wishing the person a stress-free time ahead. 3. Take care. This goodbye carries a sense of warmth, showing concern for the person's well-being. 4. Peace, or peace out. These are very informal and can be seen as hip or cool, commonly used among younger people. 5. I'm out, or I'm off. These are informal ways of announcing your departure. Here are some example sentences showing how you might use these farewells in everyday conversation. 1. It was nice catching up with you. See you later. 2. I have to run to my next meeting. Catch you later. 3. Take it easy, mate. See you next time. 4. I really enjoyed our lunch. Take care. 5. All right, I need to get back to work now. Peace out. 6. It's getting late and I need to go home. I'm off. And there you have it. A handful of informal ways to say goodbye in English. Remember, practice is key to becoming comfortable with these phrases. So try using them next time you're parting ways with a friend or family member. Remember, your choice of farewell can add color to your conversation, making it feel more natural and friendly. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the beauty of language.